Ito nga pala yung 2025 Ford Bronco, and yes, obviously this is the most expensive na mabibili mo sa Ford local dealership nyo today. So right, ito yung susi niya. Yan, nakita nyo parang times 2 na yan. That's how you start it. So, but we are not going to start it kasi mag-i-insert na lang ako ng mga clips kung ano yung what is the sounding of this vehicle. So, yan, it says the word Bronco. Yan, nakikita nyo yan. Nakatakip lang siya ng masking tape. But, yan. Or, ano naman, syempre, mumukha naman brand new purposes. So, syempre, may mga sticker tayo dito. Sasquatch outer bags. Yan. And ito yung name ng kulay na itong Ford Bronco na yan. Then I have also a clip dun sa Ford Green Hills. That is the isa sa mga launch color, if I believe, na nilaunch dito sa Pilipinas. So yun, kung gusto mo itong kulay na to, then get this color. Tapos yung syempre yung isa sa mga pinakita kung nasa Ford Green Hills. Yan yung kulay na yan. So pero syempre may multiple choices of colors nga naman tayo dito. Ayan nyo. So yan, ilalagay ko lang siya sa screen. Feel free to pause it and let's go. So in order for us to start it, hindi natin start, sorry, ilagay lang natin sa unlock position. Yan. Tapos yan, magiging welcome lights lang natin dito kasi yung mga natin yung LED strips, then onto the outer side ng headlights. Tapos nakita nyo parang red yung orange ambers natin dito. Siyempre, I think this is for the American safety standards. Ilagyan lang natin. Pass na natin dyan. This is a keyless entry system. So, lock ko lang yung pintuan. Yan. In order for, wait, sandali. Is this supposed to be? Yan. So, touch sensitive nga pala yung keyless entry system na to. In order for you to unlock this one, just grab the handle. Tapos yan. Then, you may have an access to the vehicle itself. If you can unlock it, yan. Tap nyo lang yan because ito ay touch sensitive rin pala to. Kala ko buttons So, that's a good touch by Ford. Tapos, ang lapad tignan Grabing lapad tignan nga naman talaga na to. Sa personal kasi sa camera itself, hindi siya nabibigyan ng justice masyado So, sa mirror housings, blacked out paint. Then, syempre, it actually connects right over here. Yan, hanggang doon sa dulo na yan. Right. Let's have a preview once again kung ano yung tsura niyan. Ayan. There goes with the headlights. Ayan. There you go. Then, tapos wheels and tires natin. Right. Nakabalot siya sa isang Goodyear tires. And then, ang mga sukat natin is 315 by 70. Tapos 17 inches natin yung two-tone wheels natin. 6 lug nut spec. And there is the Bronco logo right over there. And hindi siya yung Ford logo. Yeah. Very, very nice with the design kasi with the silver accents tapos with the black rims with the black contrast nga naman. Just to have a contrast with the color with the wheels naman. So, really nice. And these are mud turning tires. So, keep in mind na kapag nasa highway kayo, medyo a bit of a noisy nga naman when you are cruising on the highway speeds. Normal lang naman yan. Tingnan natin mga suspensions. Yan. Suspension system. There we go. May makikita ba tayo dito? Probably not much. Tapos, max load 150 pounds. So, most likely kung meron kang accessories dito, papamato mo dyan. Yan. Yan yung weight limit nito. Maximum of 150 pounds. Right. There's the Bronco nameplate dito sa may sa may windshield. Yan. I think I should start going inside the interior of the Ford Bronco. I have to keep in mind for myself na hindi ko siya i-start. So, I've printed a brochure dito because, yeah, minsan kasi hindi available mga brochures dito sa mismong dealerships. So, when you enter the Ford Bronco, feel free to adjust the power adjusting seats. Yan, mas may mga lumbar support pa nga ito eh. Yan, there you go. Tapos ito yung seats natin, completely leather, tapos two-tone with a dark blue onto the middle. This tapos dito naman sa sa gilid, gray accents. Tapos mga leather stitching of course. And lalapit ko yan, para makita nyo lang konti. There we go. Let's have the key inside here. And since I think I'm now comfortable, dito ang grab handles natin hindi siya dito. Dito siya sa my side. Ayan, let's go. As I enter inside, if you notice, yan, ito ay frameless windows. Kasi, if I'm not mistaken, yung mga pintuan nito ay natatanggal. Yan. By the way, this is the price point of the Ford Bronco. Yan. Yan yung price point ng Ford Bronco as na-release walang makakapag-demo sa atin kung paano to tatanggalin actually. And let's yan. Right. Okay. So, this is the inside of the Ford Bronco. Yan. Very, very maluwag na dashboard obviously. Nasibi nga And then, very ballistic onto the design. Tapos, meron tayong, nagkakaroon tayo ng two-tone color scheme dito. Black on the top. Tapos, dark and silver color dito sa, bandang infotainment system. Dito sa gitna, what I mean. Tapos, yung central locking, nandito naman. Yan. Kung ito, unlock and unlock, just press those. Tapos, napapansin nyo, buksan natin napapansin nyo, wala dito yung, yung window, mapapansin nyo wala dito yung power window switches natin dito. Wait lang, sarada natin. Yan. And it goes up automatically because all the power window switches are right over here. Yan. So, yan, just press that. Ito yung window lock. Tapos, yan. The main reason is, katulad na sinabi ko kanina, natatanggal kasi yung pintuan. So, yan. Ito yung, main reason kung bakit nandito sa gitna. Okay, so gusto ko sana hanapin kung nasaan yung mga window switches ng para sa likod. Or probably they don't have one. Because, ito na yung nakikita kong switches yung apat na to. Yan. Tapos, pati yung sa I think this is for the side mirror. Yan, this is how you adjust it. But, needless to say, I think let's push the button. Yan. Oops. Thank God na ito ay naka rotary knobs pa to. So this is an infotainment system. Ito yung entertainment system natin. This is a Sync 4 12-inch LCD capacitive touchscreen with swipe capacity and enhanced voice recognition. Yan. Tapos syempre, meron na tong Apple CarPlay, tapos Android Auto, and all the bells and features on this car. So let's take a view onto the owner's manual. Probably it will load. Probably not kasi tapos driver assistance, di lang natin makita yung mga camera na ito. So yan, okay, close. Tapos cruise control, yan, syempre yung mga cruise control natin dito is adaptive, in which ito yung mga switches nya onto the left. Yan, tapos ito yung para ma-adjust mo kung gaano kalayo ang gusto mo doon sa sasakyan na sa harap mo. And there is yung reset button, tapos yung plus and minus, tapos lane keeping assist. Yan, ito siya. Then this is the Bronco logo on the middle. Then ito naman yung audio controls natin, voice commands, tapos yung when to speak kapag magsasagot ka ng phone calls. Then naman mga okay buttons, tapos arrow buttons. Then yan, yun lang naman yung kailangan natin pagtuunan ng pansin. Tapos ito, susuming ko lang sandali. And here we are. Ito yung natin. Ito yung mga dials natin. Onto the left, ito yung dials natin. Onto the left is a analog speedometer. Tapos onto the right is a screen na ayan, I press OK. A bit of a lag na naman, but yeah, that's a really normal things na what to expect. Mas meron tayong 8-inch digital instrument cluster. Yeah. So, there we go. There's all the warnings. I'm just pressing this one. Para kung matanong nyo. Tapos yung trip meter, off-road, then tire pressures. Okay. Tapos, I think these are the switches. Hindi, wait, sandali. The switches, Yan. Yan, lumiwanag na siya. Naka-headlight switches pa pala to. Okay. Yan nga naman yon. Okay, press OK. Yan. Ganun lang naman. Ay, tinakbo niya. 42.6 kilometers. Tapos gear selector is on beneath. Yan. Temperature, obviously dun sa may speedometer. Yan. Okay. So, balik naman tayo sa mga features naman nito. Binuksan ko ulit. So, yan. Here we go is yung dual zone climate control system. Yan, para ma-demo ko lang. It also reflects onto the screen, obviously. Ito yung fan speed, tapos yung temperatures, yan. Tapos max AC. Let's not touch that. Yan. Just press it again kapag para mapatay niya lang. Tapos ito yung camera, yan. Na-demo na natin. Those are the 360 camera. Then ano ba tong kalino yung camera niya, in fairness, actually. Yan. Tapos it says na nakabukas yung rear door. And this is the start stop. Yan, pinindot ko lang siya. Kasi napapansin ko sa mga tao na ayaw nila na start stop feature. So, here we go. Yan, balik na tayo here. Tapos navigation system. And oh, okay. Nice. Tapos smooth ng ng navigation operation. Pwede ba siya sa 3D? Nice. Okay. Ito, yun pala yung 3D. My bad. Okay, so what we got? Never mind. Tapos, yan. Meron pa tayong heated seats and then heated steering wheel. Nice. So, buhay. Yeah, there we go. Yan. Tapos, recirculation. Really neat one kasi ayan, yung body pa ng Bronco yung nakalagay dun. Really interesting. Just to press one. Tapos, yan. Mga several buttons natin dito. Tapos parking sensors is off. Active start stop is off. Yan. Camera. Yan. Ang linaw ng camera talaga, guys. Na-impress ako dito. Good. Right. On to the transmission. Ayun yung sinasabi ko, guys. Parang farewell screen. And it goes down. Onto the transmission. So, syempre, meron tayong onto the transmission. This is a 10-speed automatic transmission. Does it have paddles? No, it doesn't have paddles. Wala siyang paddles. So, in order for you na manual shifting siya, nandito na siya sa gilid. Goes up. Let me show you this. Ito tayo, sandali ha. Yan. Up and down. Yan. Syempre, I think this is similar from the Ranger. Kailangan mo na siyang hilain itong lock na to. Then, in order for you to go to dun sa manual mode. Yan, you operated this one. Okay. Tapos meron tayong 2 cup holders right over here. Mga convenience natin. Obviously, di dyan dapat na ilalagay mo yung susi. But, yan, ito yung wireless charging. I perhaps believe it is. Tapos may Bronco plate tayo dito. Right over there. Ito, yung pinagmamalaki ng Ford Bronco. Yan. Yan, iniikot ko. Normal, Eco, then Sport, Slippery, Mud Ruts, tapos Sand. Anything else? Okay. How about I go to 4 lock? Okay. So, yan. 4 low, yan. Gumagana yung camera. Tapos, ito pala indicators yan. Okay. Goes to 4 high automatically. I'm pressing this one. Ito magsasabi kung ano yung ano yung differential na naka-lock. It could be the center one or it could be the oh, there are buttons here. Dito do I notice? Yan. Yun yung ito pala. ang tanga ko, sorry. Tapos unlimited slip differential. Ay. Yan. In order for us to turn off the traction control, yun. Right. And there are buttons. Yan. Yan. Ayun na. I think just turn it off na lang. Kaya naman na natin lahat. So these are the selections of 4-wheel drive. Andi dito siya. Little do I notice a while ago. Tapos may mga charging ports pa pala dito. May mga ports pa. Nice. Let's just put it back onto the original place. Yan. Tapos may mga speakers dito. Yan yung logo ng what kind of brand of speakers are we having. There we go. Ooh, someone's birthday. Tapos may mga airbags dito, side airbags. Yan. Lalagay ko na lang din yung bilang ng airbags na meron tayo dito. Yan. How much? How many airbags do we have? Yep. That's just right. Okay. These are the window switches. Okay. Oh.
And all considering your mind game,
okay, it slowly goes up. That's actually cool. Ngayon ako naninibago dito. One touch automatic. Okay, it slowly goes up. Then, and I noticed this one, ito yung nasa tuktok. Yan, yung mga lights natin, passenger airbag is off. Muna natin yan. Okay, that's nice. Tapos, sunglass holder right over there. That's nice. Okay. Yan, para may ilo lang tayo. So, yun lang naman ang ang kailangan kong pagtuunan ng pansin. Ay, syempre, yung yung side mirrors. And that's how you adjust the side mirrors. Nice. Maninibago lang ako dun sa mga kung sakaling bibili ako nito kasi muscle memory ko normally nandito dito siya or nandito siya. Yung pati yung side mirrors, pati yung power windows pala. Sorry. Power windows and yung side mirrors. Tapos ito yung parking brake, pull on, yan, ganun lang. Tapos to push. So that's how you operate it. Tapos yung for the engine. Alright. So, ito ang isang 2.7 liter V6 engine. Obviously, this is a turbo EcoBoost. Produces around 355 brake horsepower. And, syempre, for me, wow, 2.7 liters. Does it consider na pagka nilagyan natin ng exhaust to, malakas ba to paring pakinggan? For the Ford Bronco owners there, please criticize me kung tama ba ako o mali. So, yeah. And right from the get-go, if ever magpapa-engine wash kayo, since ito ay considerably magiging off-roader, since ito ay magiging considerably ay isang off-roader, be careful with the sensors kasi nakikita ko ang dami nito eh. So, magiging maselan nito kung magpatakip kayo ng mga sensors dito. Ang dami niyang itatakip. Ayun, no? So, here we go. Air box is right over here. Mukhang may pinagdaanan na to. So, ito yung mga natin. Snorkel, somehow. Tapos ito yung wading depth nito. Yan. Naka-display siya. Right. Then, syempre yung reservoir natin dito. Yan. It's a plastic reservoir. Yan. Brake master cylinder right over there. Yan. And then, I believe this is the ABS. Ba? Tama? Yeah, I think, perhaps. That's the ABS. So, yan. Okay. Tapos yun yung engine type natin. Yan. Ford Motor Company. Feel free to pause the video nga pala kung gusto nyo basahin yan. There we go. Pansin ko, grabe ang gun nito Sobrang gun nitong engine hood. So, yun yung napapansin. Nice. So, let's move on to the rear passenger. But before the rear passenger, i-review ko itong ano yung tsura na itong mga flarings natin dito. Baba ko lang ito saglit. Ito nga pala yung yan. Yung filler cap natin. There you go. Easy fuel cap. Nice. Look, ito yung natin, kumbaga, isang Easter egg. Yan. And it was established in 1966. May mga warnings pa tayo dito. Right up there. And air pressure warning, 39 PSI. Tapos yan, may mga warnings tayo dito. Right over there. Tapos yan sa baba, look, 39 PSI. And all tires. Okay. Yeah. Just to zoom in. Now this one, I can comment na sana may selections pala na na pwede mo itong papalitan yung kulay na itong mga side door panels. Papansin ko sa inyo, it's like when you see a navy blue na na side panels, and especially when you put this one into color dito sa interior na ito. It kind of looks like it kind of goes for a age restricted design. So yan, probably since sure, Ford Bronco was released in the way back in the 60s, but yeah, probably a more modernized touch would go for this vehicle. So yun ang comment ko naman. Tapos may mga cargo nets, hindi siya cargo nets, but mga side nets tayo dito, yan, for more storage. And yeah, let's get in. Wow. So, right. So, kanina nakasagad na ng yung driver position ko doon. Sagad na sa likod. Kasya pa rin ako dito. Sa height of 5'5". Yeah. Very comfortable, even to the, to my head. Yan. Hello. Ano tayo, yung mga storage tayo dito, right? At the back of the seat. Then, what else? Is this supposed to lock it? Yeah, ito. Ah, ito nga. Oo nga. I think this is how to lock the vehicle onto the rear passenger. Right. Okay. Tapos, ito naman yung mga amenities natin dito. Tapos yung, center armrest with 2 cup holders, obviously. Tapos, ayan. Center armrest. Tapos ito yung headrest, center headrest. Does it light? I think it needs to turn on the position. Ano naman yung sasakyan. So, mamaya ko na lang ibababa to. Yung very comfortable nga naman yung headrest natin. Yep. Even here, very comfortable. Things, leather seat design natin. Nice. Tapos may mga latches tayo dito. Ito yung mga additional locks natin. Kung sakaling gusto nyo tanggalin na yung roof. Yan. So, hindi ako marunong eh. Apologies for that. So, ito. Yun. Ito yung sa power window switches. Yan. Diba? Tanga-tanga ako. Ngayon ko lang siya napansin. So, ito yung kung gusto mo ng charging ports. Then, 230 volts AC outlets. Ayan. Doon nga lang maninibago kung saan mo hahanapin. Ako hindi ko nga nahanap to eh. Kasi nga natatanggal kong tong pintuan na to. Kala ko doon lang lahat sa harap kanina. But yeah, if you want to lower down the power windows, it's here. Hindi ko lang it's yan. It's right here. Ilang. Bigyan ka magandang view. Yan yung mga power window switches natin right over there. Obviously there are seat belts as standard. Seatbelt dito sa center right over there. I'm doing this one as much as possible as like an ASMR. Hindi siya ASMR, raw vlog lang naman, raw review. Yan. Tapos let's try to fold these seats. Fold the seats. Oh, okay. Up. Right. Nice. So it folds down, kaso tinaas ko tong mga headrest. Let's do that one again. Okay, let's do that one again. Yan, tinupi ko na, tapos ito binaba ko na. Nice. It folds down. Tapos yan, may access ka sa rear cargo. Perhaps wala kasi tong rear seats. So yan, this is an exclusive 5-seater vehicle. Or I might be wrong. Ano kaya to? Yeah, may sign. But let's gain access dito sa likod. Oh, and by the way, mayroon pala siyang speakers. Speakers yan. Yeah. Speakers for your entertainment, obviously. So let's isolihin natin pataas. Oh. Tara. Then child lock nga pala. There we go. What's really interesting is yung child lock nito is kailangan disusi para wala namang manti-trip. So open this. Assisted with the hydraulic struts. And how do you... Okay. Let's push more. Push more. Push more. Yan. Takot ako eh. Barn doors for this one. Yan. For the Ford Bronco. And I think let's be gentle with this one. Yun. Para may access na tayo. Yan. That is how you open yung rear tailgate. Nice. Tapos 12 volt outlet. Tapos meron pa tayong courtesy lamps for here. Yan. What is this for? Kaya yan. Ano to? Accessory ready. Ayan. Ano pa pala? Okay. A bit of a scaffolding dito. Yung sinasabi ni Jeremy Clarkson. Yan. Nice. Tapos, what are these for? Storage. Okay. Carpets. Ayan, carpets. Kasi since brand new may sasakyan, hindi natin nalagay. So, let's close the vehicle. And oh shoot. I think ito muna. Sige, cut ko na muna. Shut na siya. So, meron rin pala itong keyless access dito. So, you can use it to access here. Or, Yan. Wala na palang ore. Ito pala yung, yung mga sensors natin, backup sensors. Kind of seamless to look at. Not seamless, obviously I'm wrong. Yan. And, syempre, yung mga plates. Medyo nakaka-mislead lang dito. Hindi yun yung plates. This is the Ford Bronco logo right over here. And, this is where the plate goes. Yeah. A single light. Yeah, single light right over there. Probably that's an LED light. So, Ford logo right over here. And this is the gigantic spare tire na nakasabit dito sa Ford Bronco. Third brake light right over here on the top. Tapos, yeah, really nice. Nice with the barn doors. Tapos yung fairings, really fitting with the Ford Bronco itself, with the body itself. Tapos, syempre, hindi na siya nagmumukhang refrigerator yung design ng Ford Bronco. That's really nice. Kasi baka mamaya gumawa sila ng ng modernized version nito, nagmumuha siyang refrigerator yung sasakyan itself. But overall, I think we are done for today. And these are for the taillights nga pala. Yan. Kanina doon sa intro, na-demo ko na siya kung paano siya gumagana. So, yan. Okay. So, I think that will be all. So, ito pala yung mga suspensions. And this is the rear suspension. And, syempre, let's go for the front suspension then. Right over here. Yan. Front suspension. Yada, yada, yada. So, that would be all for today. So, ilalak na natin siya. Yan. On to lock it. And, yun lang. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you very much for the support. So, yun lang. Yun yung susi natin. Goodbye.